Who is the Railway Minister of India 2020? Piyush Goyal, 55 years old. Who is the First Lady Railway Minister of India? Surekha Yadav, Indian Railways, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Central Railway. Who is the First Minister of Railways? John Mathai, 22nd September 1948. Who is the first woman railway driver? Surekha Shankar Yadav, born on September 2, 1965. Who is the CEO of Indian Railways? Sumit Sharma. What is the highest post in railways? Member staff. Which is oldest train in India? Kalka Mail. It is completed 154 years of journey. Begins at 1866 as the East Indian Railway Mail. Which is the smallest railway station in the world? Cumberland in the north of England. Who started first train in India? Lord Dalhousie. Start at Bombay's Boribandar station, 16th April 1853. Train carried 400 people. When was train invented in India? April 1853. Which country has no trains? Andorra is the first rank, and second rank is Bhutan, and sixth rank is Iceland, and so on. 27th rank is Yemen. Which is biggest railway station in India? Howrah Junction Railway Station, large and oldest railway station in India. Which is the smallest railway station in India? Haibi Railway Station in the Indian state of Odisha, elevation 207 meters, 679 feet, platforms 2 Previous name Bengal Nagpur Railway. Which is the first railway line in the world? Stockton and Darlington Railway, England. How many trains are running in India? (13,523) passenger trains, 9,146 freight trains. In kilometers, 1,23,236 kilometers. Which is the longest railway route in the world? Moscow, Russia, 10,267 kilometers. Which is the largest platform in India? Gorakhpur Railway Station, State Uttar Pradesh, longest operational platform, 1366 meters long. It was renovated in 2013. Headquarters, North Eastern Railway. Which is the biggest train in the world? Russia country, 85,500 kilometers. The train name is Siberian Railway. Moscow Vladivostok line, length 9,289 kilometers. Which Indian state has no railway line? Sikkim. Who is the father of train? George Stephenson, first commercial locomotive. Which is the fastest train in India? Train 18. Yet with today, Railway Minister Piyush Goyal announced that Train 18 is now fastest train in India, can cut down travelling time by 10 to 15% compared to Shatabdi Express. World fast train is Shatabdi. Who is known as father of Indian Railways? Dalhousie, 1853. Which country has the best railway system? India is the largest rail network in the world. Which is the biggest junction in India? Mathura Junction, 7 routes emerging from this station and 10 platforms with connectivity to all major cities of India. Which is the world largest platform? Gorakhpur Junction, Country India meters 1355.40. Another one is USA Appalachian train station, which is the biggest railway station in Asia. Beijing, which is longest running train in India. Vivek Express 4286 kilometers covering 9 states in 5 days. Journey begins at Dibrugarh in Assam and ends at the country southernmost point Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. Which bullet train is coming in India? Mumbai to Ahmedabad underground high-speed corridor is an under construction connecting cities. Mumbai to Ahmedabad, operating speed 320 km/h. Planned opening time 7 years, December 2028. Line length 598.18 km. In miles 315.77. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, పక్కనే ఉన్న గంట సింబల్ కూడా ప్రెస్ చేయండి. దానివల్ల నేను చేసే లేటెస్ట్ వీడియోస్ ఫస్ట్ మీరు చూడవచ్చు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.